Okay guys, for this our glow mask we need obviously our turmeric powder, and also we need honey and milk. So guys, this is our turmeric. We are going to using 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So this is my teaspoon. So this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of honey. This is the honey I'm using. Yeah, this is the honey I always buy though. Okay, that's it. 1 teaspoon of honey. And also milk. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of milk. Yeah. Oopsie. I think that's about 1 already that poured inside. So let me see first. I think that's what we are looking for. This is it. This is what we are looking for. So for the sake of this video, I'm using a brush, but you can decide to use your hand though. Yeah, that's it guys, that's it. Just let it sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. And it smells good. It smells so good. This is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. So we are going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe I can leave it up to 20 minutes, I don't know, but let's see first. Okay, I might let it sit for more than 15 minutes. This mask I've been sitting on my face for 20 minutes now, so it's time to like wash it off. So guys, here is my face. I just finished washing. I left it for 20 minutes though, but you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, but I just decided to leave it longer. So now after washing, you just have to moisturize your face, because if not, your face will be dry. So I'm going to be moisturizing my face with this. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. And also my neck. Yeah, anything you put on your face should also go to your neck and your chest too, but because of what I'm wearing, so neck is fine. So that's it. So guys, oh my god, don't mind my wet cloth. We have come to the end of this video. Let me give you a closer look of what my face looks like. This is it. This is it. So guys, we have come to the the end of the video. So if you like the video, just don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like give me a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, why not watch other of my videos, and I guess you will be convinced to like join the family. So guys, thank you for watching, and until next time guys, bye bye, ciao ciao. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to try out this face mask. Like, look at the glow now. Take a look, just take a look at that glow. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye, ciao.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.